The topic for today is simultaneous equation. We are going to use graphical method to solve simultaneous equations. Basically, simultaneous equations are a set of equations which are satisfied by the same values of x and y. How to solve simultaneous equations graphically? Graphically means you will be going to draw a graph like I did. I plotted the graphs of these two equations whose solution is required. Now graphically it is very simple to find out the solution of simultaneous equation. The graph of these two equations will intersect at a point, and this point is basically the solution. So let's discuss this one. This is exercise 2D, 7th edition, and chapter is simultaneous equations. Okay. So we have a question number 1, part A, 3x minus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 1. So we have got two equations. Keep the process simple. From equation number 1, let's suppose this is equation number 1. First of all, make y the subject of the equation. 3x minus y is equal to 0, and if you want to make y the subject, then shift y on the right side. So y will be equal to 3x then. Now y is the subject. Now draw a table for this equation. In the table, I have assumed these values of x, that is 1, 2, 3. These values are assumed by myself. You have to assume the values for x by yourself. And for these values of x, mean x1, 2 and 3, you have to find the values of y. How? From this equation. You will be putting the values of x here in place of x. 1. So when 1 is used here in place of x, so 3 into 1 is 3. So when x is 1, y is 3. When x is 2, y is 6. When x is 3, then 3 into 3, 9, y is 9. So you got values of y for these values of x. Now we are going to draw the graph of this equation. Now the graph of this equation is this line. How you draw the graph? Basically, we need 2 points to draw this graph. The 2 points are enough in this case. This is a linear equation. It will be a straight line. But I have used 3 points. Doesn't matter. So when x is 1, y is 3. Look over here. This is x-axis. This is positive side of x-axis. This is negative side of x-axis. This is positive y-axis. This is negative y-axis. This is origin. So when x is 1, y is 3. This point, 1, 3. When x is 2, x is 2, y is 6. The second point. When x is 3, 1, 2, 3, y is 9. 3, 9 is your third point. Join these points. A straight line will be obtained. This is graph for equation number 1. Same process will be repeated for equation number 2. And we will get a graph for equation number 2. Coming to equation number 2, 2x minus y is equal to 1. Step number 1, make y the subject of the equation. So from here, if you will move y on the right side and 1 on the left side, so y on the right side will be plus y and 1 on the left side will be minus 1. So y will be equal to 2x minus 1. I have just rearranged this one. If y is on the right side, then 1 is on the left side. So signs will be changed, and I have just rearranged this one. So y is the subject. Now y is the subject. Y is equal to 2x minus 1. Now draw a table. Approximate or assume some values of x by yourself. So I have assumed x 1, 2, 3. Using these values of x here in this equation, find the values of y. So when x is 1, y will be equal to 1. How? Use x 1 over here. So 2 into 1 is 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then use x 2 over here. 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 minus 1 is 3. Then use x 3 over here. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. So we got x and y, values of y against different values of x. So we can plot these points. First of all, plot the point 1, 1. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 1. This is the point 1, 1. When x is 2, y is 3. When x is 2, y is 3. Second point 2, 3. When x is 3, y is 5. When x is 3, y is 5. Third point. You got 3 points, join them with a straight line. This one. These two lines will cross each other or intersect each other at a point. Now this point is your solution. You have, if they are not intersecting, extend them, they will intersect. So this point where these two lines are intersecting, the graph of these two equations, they are intersecting at this point. This is your solution, and the answer is x minus 1 at this point. At this point, value of x is minus 1. Now we are on the negative side of x and on the negative side of y. X is minus 1 and y is minus 3. This is your solution. You can check it. You can use these values of x and y in any one of your equation. So your answer will be equal to the right side. I have done it over here. I have used x equal to minus 1. Here, x equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 3. So my answer is equal to 0, the right hand side. This is how you solve simultaneous equation using graphical method. Thank you.